Hi, I'm Patty with Holyland Marketplace. Israel has such a wonderful variety of foods, so today I'm here to tell you about Simply Israel. You'll find almost 200 recipes of some of the most loved Israeli cuisine, from kibbutz salad to Drew's rice and mango cream dessert. There are so many delicious recipes to choose from. Scattered throughout the book, there are scriptures and proverbs and space at the end of each recipe, as well as at the end of every chapter to write your notes. So to purchase this best-selling cookbook, Simply Israel, and see our entire selection of cookbooks, visit us at holylandmarketplace.com. Well, that's it for today. I found a great little recipe in here I've got to go try right now. Bye-bye.
Please join in with us today and help support God's people by heading on over to holylandmarketplace.com.